This is how to open RAR file in your Android phone. So let's get into it and open a RAR file in our Android phone. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Play Store and then install an app which is named as RAR. Once you find this app, simply install it and then open it. Once you are here in this app, then you will find here your internal storage here. So now what you need to do here, simply select your RAR file that you want to open with. Like I am selecting here this file. Right after that, you have to just click these two options. Once you done, click on the export option at the top right where I have shown the red mark. So you have to just simply click on that option and then you will be here at this interface. At this interface, you can locate the two options at the top. One is the destination path and second is the browse for folder. You just need to tap on browse for folder and here you have to just select for the destination in which you want to export your raw open file. Like I am selecting here this folder and then press OK at the bottom right. So you will be here back at this interface. Simply click on the OK at the bottom right. So once you click OK, after a few seconds like 3 to 4 seconds, your RAR file will be opened and you will be able to find this open file in your destination folder. So by following these steps one by one, you will be able to see any of the RAR file in your Android phone easily. And that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a big help for you. Thanks for watching.